So I want to show you guys this chrome delete that we saw. That way when you guys get your chrome delete on your car, you have an idea as far as quality control goes, so you know what to expect. There are levels of quality when it comes to chrome delete. I'm not trying to make fun of the client or the installer. I just want to show you guys this so you guys are aware. So originally this part is chrome, this part is chrome, and this part is chrome. From this distance it seems okay, right? Everything is covered. But when we get a little closer on this corner here, you can see they just literally made this really jagged triangle piece to cover this chrome area. It just seems so last minute, like they're just like, oh, we forgot about this almost. Like, it's not even straight. Look at this. It's starting to lift and you see the chrome coming back through. Very easy for dirt to just collect on this edge here, destroy the adhesive, and eventually this whole thing will just lift more and more. It's pretty bad on this side too. There's just so many layers of film on top of film. It just looks really messy. And on this side, it has already lifted. Inside edge here, you can see it's a separate piece and it's already lifting a lot. The edge of the mirror here, this whole part has been lifted. It shouldn't be like this. Like the way it's cut on top here, you can see it's jagged. More than likely they cut into the chrome when they remove the excess off of this.